My name is Brad Johnson. I have been at Med1 for over 26 years. My job is the general manager of the rental division, and our job is to really go out and try to find new opportunities to rent equipment throughout the country. New customers, new locations to put branches, and just really look for ways to help hospitals acquire equipment, and that's what we do. Hospitals need equipment, and with the cost of equipment, it is very difficult for facilities to have that much money to be able to outfit their entire hospital just because of the cost. Also, there's new technology coming out all the time. So rental is a great option for them to help especially in time of need, peak need season. People get sick, their census goes up. Rental companies step in like Med1 and help them with their needs. We have all types of equipment, whether it's beds, monitors, pumps, ventilators, you name it. Anything you see in a hospital, we can rent that to them to help them with their needs. Hospitals rent equipment all the time because of the cost of the equipment. Many hospitals, if they had enough equipment that took care of all of their customers during the peak need season, when things slowed down, they would have so much excess equipment that they would have spent so much more money on equipment that they only use for 3, 4, 5 months out of the year. So that's why rental is such a critical thing and plays a huge role in our industry. We all have the same equipment. We all have this ventilators, pumps, monitors, everything's the same. But Med1 is willing and able to move equipment around to take care of customers across the country. We don't have offices in every area, but we're willing to move equipment from office to office and from location to location to take care of any customer throughout the country. And I think we do that better than anybody. The other thing that I feel is very important is Med1 has a leasing company. And because we have a leasing company, it allows us to get equipment back that has been out on lease for a number of years. It comes back into our rental pool. That equipment comes back at a zero value and goes on our shelves. It provides equipment that would have cost thousands and even millions of dollars in cash outlay, but because it came back off lease, it comes back at zero value and has allowed us to go out and rent equipment throughout the country. There's not another rental company in the United States that has a leasing company, and so I think it's a huge benefit and a competitive advantage for Med1. Our people at Med1 love their customers, and we have reached out to so many people who have been in need during this pandemic. I have seen and watched our people get in trucks, move equipment around, come in equipment that had been removed from a patient, brought back to our office. Our biomed guys get it fixed immediately, put it back on a truck, and drive it right back out to a hospital the same night. I have watched our employees move equipment from California to Montana, from Montana to Atlanta, Georgia, Florida, all across the country. Vans running here and there and everywhere, all to take care of customers. I've been amazed at the effort and the time that our employees have taken to take care of their customers. They love what they do, and they basically love their customers, and they want to take care of them. The future is bright in the rental industry because of the cost of the equipment, technology change. All of these things play a factor in hospitals acquiring equipment that they need, as there's just no possible way for for a hospital to have all the equipment that they need. So they're going to need rental companies. Rental companies are going to have to continue to buy new equipment to take out to these hospitals so that they can take care of their customers. Working at MedOne has been the greatest blessing of my life. I have the opportunity to work with great people each and every day. And the fun thing about my job is every day seems to be a little bit different. There's always something new in the rental business. Whether that's working with different manufacturers, new equipment, there's always new deals. But the people that I have the opportunity to work with are amazing. To watch them day after day get in vehicles, work on equipment, deliver that equipment to customers who they really care for. When you think about during this pandemic, the number of people that MedOne has been able to help, I think it's pretty amazing, and hats off to every employee at MedOne for the job that we've been able to do to take care of people.